Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we are going to show you Midjourney tutorial, how to get started with Midjourney. It's a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily, and if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's get right into it. For you to get started with Midjourney, what you can do is simply go to your browser and search for midjourney.com, and you will be routed into this page just by clicking the first link. So here it will welcome you with, on the bottom part of the screen, you'll see that there is a showcase, get started, join beta, or sign in if you already created an account. And when you scroll down, you will be able to view the details or the informations on what Midjourney is about. So you can actually look into the showcase. These are actually the images that are generated through Midjourney. You will be able to see here what the prompts were used for creating that specific image in order for you to have the same results if ever you wish to have the same image when you will be generating that on your end. So for example, what you can do is just hover into one of the images and then you will be able to see on what were the prompts. Prompts are actually the words and phrases that you um, combined or curated so that you will be able to generate stunning images using Midjourney, which is an AI image generator. So it actually offers you a lot of images, or it actually has a wide range of image generating capabilities, like from anime, from animated images, or realistic photographs. You can definitely use Midjourney. So for you to get started, you can um, go to the website to get started, and then you need to join Discord. So you need to create a Discord account first. And then in order for you to take advantage with the Midjourney, you actually need to subscribe to their plan. They have basic plan, standard plan, and a pro plan, where each plan has their own limitations as well, depending on how frequent you wish to use this platform. So after you've purchased the plan, you can go to your Discord and join the server. What you can do here is that you can actually create your own server. Once you have created your own server, you go to the Midjourney server, and then either you can create or prompt any images with the general channel or the newbie channel on the Midjourney server. So once done, it also provides you here informations on the website on how to start creating prompts. You can simply just type in / imagine and then type in the prompt that you wish to create, and then in you just need to wait for a while, and then it takes a minute for the AI or Midjourney bot to create your image for you. So as you can see, once you have generated an image, it actually provides you four variations of the image. So you have either the option to upscale each images with, depending on which quadrant of or which of the images you'd like to upscale. So upscale is like it will generate the image once again to have it in one image instead of showing it on all four images. So you can download that image solely without the other variations created. So once done, or once you have upscaled the image, you can now save the image into your computer and use that image into whatever you wish to. So for you to get started here, what you can do is you can join beta. You can click here on the homepage of the Midjourney bot, and you'll be routed into this page where you will need to connect this into your Discord account here. So what you can do is just scroll down into these information. It will provide you on what are the current updates or what's new. And then from here, in order for you to get started, you'll actually need to complete the onboarding process, where you will need to purchase or subscribe to a Midjourney plan before you will be able to start generating AI images here. So once done, for example, you have completed the onboarding process, you can actually go to the Midjourney server by clicking on this icon here, or that's their logo, and then you will be able to see on the left side panel of the screen. You just need to look for the general channels or the newbie channels. You can click either of all these channels that they have, and then you can actually try to create a prompt here. The thing here is that there are actually a lot of other users as well, where when you will be creating your own image or prompting an image, it may be overlapped by the other users who are creating their own prompts as well. But here is a tip on how you can generate image without seeing the other users, without creating the or looking into the other users um, generated images as well. So what you can do is click on the plus icon on the left side panel of the screen, and what you need to do is create your own server. So here, for example, you already have your own server that you have. So let's create the plus icon, and then it will provide you on what type of server you're creating. Is it for your friends or for your school, depending on, or for your community? So here, once you have created your own server, here I named it demo server. So what I'll do here is I will look for Midjourney bot. You can either, and then when you click on the Midjourney bot, it actually has a prompt to add that into your server, or add the bot into your server. So you just choose the server and then just click on next. And then you just need to verify a few information and fully authorize that, so that it will be incorporated into your server that you created. Here. So we'll try to create a prompt, so you can actually type in into the type box imagine, or / imagine, and then type in the word or the image that you want to generate here. So for example, I will generate an image of a golden retriever, and then you can actually incorporate there an emotion, or what emotion you'd like the image to portray. You can even add the studio lighting, or what type of lighting you have or you want to incorporate into the image. Then you also need to incorporate as well, if you want a highly detailed image, you can incorporate hyper realistic or highly detailed image. And then you just need to wait for a few minutes, and then it will slowly generate the image for you. Here, so the prompt that I used is happy golden retriever playing, and then you put a comma, and then with the studio lighting, and then daylight, and then hyper realistic. And there you have it. You can see that there are 4 images generated here by Midjourney. They have all the happy expression, but in different angles. You have a full body or just a portrait of the golden retriever. All of them are in a happy emotion. So if, for example, you want to upscale, or you are happy with the third image generated, you can just click on U3, and then it will automatically upscale the image for you, so that you can just download the image solely just for that specific image. So you can also click on V2, that means the letter V there, which means variation of the second image. So here it provides you the second image that was generated. It provides you 4 variations into this image here. So you can actually look into the prompt as well. Beside the prompt, it will actually provide you the percentage on what's the status of the image that they are generating for you. Here as well, the arrows that are in circles, it will allow you to rerun the prompt that you have. So they will be downloading or they will be generating another image for you. The same prompt, but they will be regenerating or rerunning the prompt. So as you can see, beside my username, you will be able to see the percentage on how or what's the status of the image that's generated here on Midjourney. Wait for a while, 93%. And there you have it. You have new images generated with the same prompt, but as you can see, it's very different from the first prompt that was created. So for example, you have upscaled this image and you want this downloaded, you can actually click on it and click on view browser, and then you can simply just right click and then save as, and then you can save the image into your computer here, and you'll see that it has now been downloaded. And there you have the image that we generated through Midjourney. It's very realistic. You can see that it really looks like a golden retriever. And that's basically it. That's how you will be able to use Midjourney. And that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.